Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another week of What's for Lunch. On Monday, I used some of the Swiss chard that came in my Misfits Market box, and I sauteed it with some olive oil and garlic, and I served it over a whole grain mix which had quinoa, farro, spelt, and some other grains in it. On Tuesday, I baked a pizza the previous night, so I just took a couple slices of leftover pizza along with a banana. It was my first time making homemade pizza crusts, and it actually turned out really good, and it was a lot easier than I thought it would be. On Wednesday, I used some more produce market from my Misfits Market box, and I went ahead and made a tossed salad. That was a really little head of lettuce. I used the whole thing in that salad bowl. It was good though. And I chopped up a variety of vegetables that also came in the box. And altogether it made for a really tasty salad. And to go along with that, I took a Fiber One bar and a bottle of water. On Thursday, I just took a toasted cheese and avocado sandwich with a side of chopped plums and some baked sour cream and cheddar ruffles. And to wrap things up on Friday, I had some leftover cream of chicken and wild rice soup. I made a big crock pot recipe full of it the night before, and along with it, I took some freshly baked banana bread. So with that, we'll wrap up another week of What's for Lunch. I won't be filming over the holidays as I won't be packing my lunch very often in those days, but I will come back after the new year with more What's for Lunch videos for you. If you like watching these videos, please consider subscribing. Every subscription helps a lot, and I really appreciate each and every one of you watching. Have a safe and happy new year, and we'll see you next year.